How to make a Spotify playlist public. First of all, you need to open up the Spotify application on your phone. Then, tap on the option Your Library at the bottom of your screen. You can see the option Playlist on the top left of your screen. Tap on it. Once you're in, you will find the preferred playlist that you're going to make public. Just like here, I have selected my favorite one, which is Locked. Then, tap on the three dots beside the Add Friends icon. After that, scroll down until you find the option Make Public. Tap on it. You will now receive a notification of your playlist going public and a change in the icon just under your profile name. By following these easy steps, you can now make your playlist go public and easily accessible for anyone around the globe. People can now share this playlist with their friends and loved ones and groove at your beats.